correct? Next, after this, okay, so last example was which one? 7 or 8? 8 file was there. It was related to, okay, that we are under the switch case. So come to that file, 8.js file. Switch will be like this. You have to take any input from user. Suppose, for example, write a variable called URL equal to call is a login. URL equal to login. Assume user has clicked on login button. Now what will happen? Switch. Inside you pass the URL and let the switch to decide which page has to load based on given input. Switch URL we can write here case. Case is like the if case home, like URL is holding the home, then console.log display home.html file. Display home.html file. And after that, stop it. After that, stop it. Don't display the other file. If user has clicked on another link, case call sign up. If user has clicked on sign up, then URL will be sign up. Then we can write here console.log display register page. Display register.html file. And after displaying again, break. like stop it. Next again, case login, then console.log display login.html file. So in this, are you writing any kind of range condition? No, you are writing exact condition. Case meaning what? It is saying like under URL, what is that? Under URL, is it home? Then display home.html. Under URL variable, is it sign up? Then display register page. Under URL variable, is it holding login? Then display login.html. So you can see now, the login we have stored under the URL. So condition should go to which case? Third number, right? And then do a break here. Then you will ask, what will happen if I will not do the break? If you will not do the break, remaining all will execute. Okay, so break is nothing but you are saying stop here. Don't go next. Okay, condition satisfied. You did the work. Finally, stop the next execution. In case user has not clicked anywhere, just user open your website abcd.com. He search in Google and he click. No, website is open. So that will go to the, if condition is not matching, where it will go. So we are sending to the default case. Default case. Okay. Default case. Default means else. This is if else, again if else, last is called else. If nothing match, then what should happen? Console.log. Okay, console.log display welcome.html file. Display welcome.html file, and after that break you don't need to apply. Write it slowly. Ready? Check now. Which page is, which control is going to work? So we can write here node space file name 8. It will get say display login.html file. Display login.html file. Yes. In JavaScript, we have other feature also. Using other function, we can like suppose inside your folder you have a HTML file. So you will read that HTML file and display in the browser directly. You have register page, you will read and display the register page. It is just a syntax example how the switch case work. Even we can write two condition also together. Okay, two condition like how you have written the and or. Similar way here also you can write two condition together. Let me guide you how you can write two condition together. So case contact colon case inquiry. If user has click on contact us page or user has click on inquiry page, no matter, in both the cases, we wanted to display the similar statement. So for that, console.log display you can say contact.html file. Display contact.html file. So this becomes an OR condition. Whether input is contact or input is inquiry, no matter, in both the case, which page will load? Contact.html, same page will load. It now login is coming. Now instead of login, put here call inquiry. ENQUIRY. See where it is going. Add inquiry, save your file, run it. See where it is going. Right? It is going to display contact.html file. Welcome, how it will come? If we pass the contact, then it will go to here. Or if we pass inquiry, then also it will go here. Break have you written? You have to write break, no? Break if will not apply, then it will execute after that everything. If break will not be there, after that it will execute everything. Says contact.html. Now go here and enter something else that is not matching with condition. Okay. Okay, like service. Anywhere we have not given any condition for service. Service we have not written. Or apart from home, sign up, login, contact, inquiry, apart from this 2, 3, 4, 5 condition, apart from this 5 condition, whatever else you are passing, right, all will lead to the default. If condition not match here with any one case, then it will go to the default. So I wrote here call service. Now we'll check below where it is going. So it goes to the welcome.html. Okay. Lot of uses are there. We are going to use it. Many places. In React, we have to use called routing. In the routing, we have two type of routing. One is switch based, another one is hash router based. So you can write using both the way. Using switch case also you can implement, and using hash router also we can implement. Okay. Next, after this, we got some idea on condition. This is the part of control structure. Using that, you are going to control the flow of data. You are going to control the flow of content. When particular page should load, when particular message should come, when particular output should come. Okay, that is called as a control structure condition. This is the condition. Now we have another one in control structure only, that is called a loop. Let me open it. Here in develop syllabus file, I have written one place called as a loop. Under the control structure only, we have next called loop. Okay. So loop we have for loop, do while loop. In that do while, you can say not in use. You will not find any such requirement where you will use the do while. I'll guide you why not. Why is that? Okay. Next we have called listing function, that is called map and for each. So map and for each you are going to use frequently in JavaScript. Map you will be using under the React everywhere. And this will work on array. If you have data in array, then you can get it through the map. So first you understand this one. Okay, loop part. And then we'll come to the array. And after array, inside array, we will use the map. Okay, so go next and then create the next file. Create the next file inside the basic folder only. That file name should be called. So hope this page 8 is working for all. Switch case. Next, after this, I will close this opened file. Next file will create loop1.js. 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 This is called multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. Through this, we can comment certain statement so that further when you look into the code after some days, some time, then we'll come to know this code I have written for this purpose. Kind of a documentation, short notes. Okay, we can write under the comment. It will get ignored by your compiler. Compiler will not read this statement. So you will go ahead and write inside Syntax for loop. Syntax for loop. It start like this: for, then inside that you have to follow something. First question is why we are going to use the loop. Okay, loop. Loop represent similar type of task you are going to do again and again n number of times. Like suppose you want to print hello 100 times. You cannot write hello console.log 100 times. Correct? So doing the work manually, developer give this work to the system, saying like, please take care of this task. Then system will ask what you want to do. We have to explain to the system. Correct? Then system will ask where you want to start, where you want to go, how you want to go. This all input we have to feed inside the system. After that, your processor will look into your code. Processor will understand, yes, you wanted to do something like this. Then it will process your statement and display the output. Okay. Now look into the for. For says like you are going to do something, a repeated task again and again, or similar type of task again and again. In that case, what you want to do? So our requirement says we want to loop where it should print 1 to 10, or it should print 1 10 times, or it should print 1 to 100. Okay. So certain type of task we are going to give to the system. So the for want to understand what is the initial point where you want to start. That is called this one, called as a initialization. Okay, your initial point where you want to start, that is called as a initialization. Okay. Next, till where you want to go, that is called condition. Okay. So condition. So initialization means initial point. Condition means the destination. Correct. Next is called how you want to go. Okay. How you want to go. That is increment or decrement. If you are starting from lower number, you want to reach till higher number, you have to increase by 1. If you want to start from higher, you want to go down, you have to decrease. So while increasing and decreasing, there will be also possibility you want to go slow track or you want to go fast track. Correct or not? So you want to go on slow track means you want to increase by 1 by 1. You want to come on slow track means you want to decrease 1 by 1. You want to go fast track means you want to increase 10 by 10. First loop 10, second increase by 10, third increase by 10 again. So that becomes what? Fast, right? All options we have. So you can write here simple. This is called increment operator, and this is called a decrement operator. Now increment is not plus means increase by 1. Minus means decrease by 1. Okay. But not only this much, we can increase by 3 also, 5 also, I'll guide you. So how many input you given to for? For function, for is a function where you given the 3 parameter, saying like this is the initial point, and this is the destination, and this is the way to increase. Then for will start from the particular position, initial point, and it has to go till there, and whichever the steps you have given to increase, using that it will start increasing. Then you want on every step, after increasing one step, you have to do something. After increasing the second step, you have to do something. That is called your, what is? Statement. You are saying, compiler, you increase, but after increasing one step, do something. After increasing the second step, do something. After going to the third step, do something. Don't go simply blindly. While going, keep doing and then going. Okay. Then only whatever you are doing, that will become as an output. Okay. That's we are writing as a statement. Come down below. Now write an example. For variable declaration, we have seen through var, no problem. Let it be till now. Var I, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, hello. Any variable name you can give your wish. Start from 1. Initial value you given to 1. Then you are saying I, you go till where? Equal to represent start from 1 and go till 10. Okay. Go till 10 means print till 10. If you are not writing equal to, then it will not go till 10. Once it will see the 10, before that it will get terminated. Means you will get the output till 9 only. Okay. You are saying till 10 is not printed, you keep continuing. So 10 will print, then it will become 11. After that it will stop. Okay. Now you do here, let me remove this equal to and increase the I value by 1. So I you are doing increment by 1. Now write console.log for say, what the for say? For is called I. And check now, come to the CMD, print again, node space, your file name, loop 1. Say, or is saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till where? Till 9. Okay. Now see how it is working. First time the value of I is 1. It will go next. Check, is that less than 10? Yes. Then increase by 1, come and print it. Again go and check, is it still less than 10? Yes. Come print and increase by 1. Again go and check less than 10. So this loop will be continuing in total 10 times. And once it will see, oh, I equal to 10 now, then it will say it is not less than 10. It's become equal. Then it will loop terminate and then you will get the output till 9 only. When you say here till equal to, you are informing to the your compiler saying like till 10 you have not received, you keep going. Right? So at which moment this terminate the loop? Once the value of I will become 11, then it will say I less than equal to 10. No, not less than 10. So become the 11. Then it will terminate. Let me show you what will happen now. I will go here. Again, I'll print it. See, it's running till 1 to 10. That is a condition of equal to and without equal to. Without equal to, it will stop before that. With equal to, it will go till there. Okay, so hope ready. Now, come in the same file, write another one. Console.log plus by 2. Plus by 2. You are doing plus by 1. How you can make something where it should be plus by 2? So for var I equal to 1, I less than equal to maybe 10, then I equal to I plus 2. I equal to I plus 2. Now what you are doing the changes? You are doing the plus I by 2 directly. First time the value of I is 1. 1 equal to 1 plus 2. 1 is nothing but I. You are saying I equal to I plus 2. So the value of I will become, current value of I is 1 plus 2. So what will happen? 1 plus 2 is a 3. Next loop again it will come. Then the value of I will be 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Next time the value of I will be 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Correct? So that way it will keep increasing. Console.log. The counter is I. Is it ready? Check now. CLS you can run. After that, you see. Printing all 13579. This all becomes a ascending order loop. This becomes a ascending order loop. Next, we'll see descending order loop. You have seen low to high. Now you need to see high to low. How to come from top to bottom. So in that case, if you want to come high to low, your initial value should be high. Now initial value is low, so you are going up. If initial value will be high, then you will come down. Instead of I plus plus, you will do I minus minus. Or you have written I equal to I plus 2, you will do I equal to I minus 2. Okay. Let's write here console.log. Console.log. Descending order. Descending order. Come next, write a for loop. Variable I equal to 20. I greater than equal to greater than 1, then I minus minus. So you are starting from 20 and it has to go till 1. Next, after that, console.log the loop, comma, I. Got it? Check it, how it is. Okay, so you can see started from 20 and it has not reached till 1 because we have not given here equal to. If you give equal to, then only it will reach till 1. If you not give equal to, it will not reach till 1. Before 1 itself, the loop will get happened. Okay, you can try with 1 also. It should go till. Now write a for loop where print 2001 to 2022. Write a for loop where print from 2001 to 2022. Possible? Right? In the same file, write a for loop where you start from 2001 and print till 2022. Right? So for that, you can write like this. What will be the initial value? Here I equal to 2001. I less than equal to 2022. I plus plus. Now console.log I. Let us check printing or not. 2001 to 2022. Now another question for you. From 2001 to 2022, print those years that is an even number year. Only even number year. So what will be? 2021 will not be even number. 2022 will be the even number. Correct? After that, 2013 will not be there. Sorry, 2001 will not be there. 2002 will be there. 2004, 2006, 2008. So you need to print only those years. Those are called even number years. So what we will do for that? First to run the for loop. And yesterday we have seen how to find out odd and even. Mod operator we can apply. A reminder is 0, then only should print something like this. Try first, try. Hope it right. Let's see like this. The for loop will be similar. What we have written before. Inside we need to write one condition. If I mod 2, then double equal to 0, then go inside console.log the even number year I. Try once. It will give you all the even number here. Okay, working. Okay, leave this. Let's go for the loop 2 now. Okay, all even numbers are coming. Come next to the loop2.js file. Loop2.js file will be of while loop. Of while loop. So that is write again syntax for while loop. How you can write? While loop syntax. While loop syntax. Yeah, it is like initialization. After that, while, inside while, condition. After that, a statement. After that, increment or decrement based on need. Now, right below, initialization variable I equal to 1, I less than, while I less than, equal to 10. So it will go till 10. Then a statement console.log the while say comma I plus plus, while say comma I plus plus. Okay, let's save it, run it. This is also going to print 1 to 10. Same like how for loop was running. Node space loop 2, 1 to 10. You can write one descending order also. Okay, now write again variable I equal to 10 directly, while I greater than equal to 1, then write inside console.log the loop say on I. And if you are not decrementing the I minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3, if you are not decrementing the I, this loop will be infinite loop. Always the value of I will be 1. Always the value of I will be 10. And you can run this file once. You will see loop become infinite. It will never end. Always the value of I will be 10 and always the I will be greater than equal to 1. And it will keep printing. Check once, write it. Run once, you will find the loop will continue and every time it will print 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, infinite. It will not stop. Let me come to the loop. Going on. 10 is going on. Okay. How do I stop it? Control C 2 times. Control C 2 times. Control plus C 2 times. Loop will get terminate. So if this kind of by mistake loop start running, you should look into the increment decrement option, whether properly are you checking the condition or not, your value is plus by minus by proper or not. You will do I minus minus here. Now it will stop after 10 iteration. Every iteration, it will print the respective number, and then once it will reach to the 1, will become 0. Okay. Console.log. What is value of I after finishing of loop? What will be the value of I after finishing the loop? If I write here console.log I. Okay. I was 10 in the beginning. You started running a loop greater than 1 till minus minus will happen. Loop will get terminate if the value of I is less than 1. Correct? Let's run your page again and find out what will be the value of I after the loop. Once the loop get terminate, what will be the value of I? Value of I is how much in the last? 0 or 1? For everyone, let's show your value. What is the value after the loop? No one? One person said something. 0. Other also should check it. Right? How much is 0? Now logically you think your var variable, what you have written, var variable, you have written here, right? So var variable, the var I variable, scope is global as of now. In current file, the I value, anywhere you can increase and decrease. So you have given the initial value in the beginning. and you are doing the minus minus inside the loop. So since the variable was defined globally using the var keyword in the current page, so the variable we can access anywhere and the increment decrement can happen anywhere. Inside the loop value is getting minus. Then when the loop will get terminate, the loop will get terminate once the value of I will become less than 1. Correct? So less than 1, what will be the next step? 0. Correct? If 0 happen, then only it will become less than 1. Loop got terminated and your I is holding the last value. That is called as a 0. When you come out from the loop, it will give you the definitely 0. Now next example we can write where we can mix the while loop and for loop. Okay, that is called a nested loop. Nested loop. Nested loop, you can combine, you can mix for loop and while loop together. Create next file, loop3.js. 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 Now come inside console.log nested loop. Nested loop. Okay, nested loop. Come inside. First write the while loop. Create a variable I equal to 1. While I less than equal to 10. Come inside. Do the I plus plus. That is a common that we do. Correct? Now at the place of a statement, so this loop will run 1 to 10, right? It is going to run 1 to 10. While running 1 to 10, you will not print 1 to 10 directly. After printing 1 to 10, you have to do something else also. So first print here console.log outer loop say outer loop says 1 or maybe 1 you can write in the beginning. I comma so the value of I will say it says outer loop. Okay, let it be outer loop, 1 outer loop, 2 outer loop. Now come inside, write a for loop. For loop variable j equal to 1, j less than equal to 5, j plus plus. J equal to 1, j less than equal to 5, j plus plus. Console.log j inner loop. Inner loop. Inner loop j. Save it. So what is happening here now? First, while loop will come inside, run and write run. Then after that, I'll explain you what you are doing inside. Two for loop you are running. Two loop you are running. One is the outer loop. Second one is the inner loop. So 1 to 5, how many times it will print? 1 to 5, how many times it will print? First loop will run how many times? 10 times. When it will go inside, every time it will print 1 to 5. So 1 to 5, it is going to print 10 times. When your compiler is here, value of I is 1. Less than 10, printed. Then what will do? For loop will start. And it will print 1 to 5. Again, I will become 2. Go here, check the value of I less than 10. Yes. Come and print that. Again, start the for loop and print 1 to 5. Correct? So, outer loop will run 10 times and inner loop will run 5 times in every loop. So, 10 into 5, 50 times. Inner loop will run 50 times. Outer loop will run 10 times. Let us show you. CLS node space loop 3. Okay, after printing the outer loop, one line we need to print. Hold on. Console.log print one line here. Complete. So after printing the outer loop, one line will get printed. Let us show you CLS. See, first time, can you see what it says? Outer loop is 1, inner loop is 1 to 5. Outer loop is 2, inner loop is 1 to 5. Outer loop is 3, inner loop is 1 to 5. So every time outer loop is running 1 to 10 and inner loop is 1 to 5. Let's put some limit now. I equal to 1 is okay. I less than equal to how much? Sorry, j equal to 1 you have written. J less than equal to how much? 5. We'll keep j less than equal to I. So now inner level loop is based on outer level loop. J equal to 1. What is that? Start from 1. J less than equal to I. What is the value of I? 1. So inner level loop will run only one time. Next time the value of I will become 2. Again J will start from 1 only. And J has to go till I. The value of I will become 2. So the for loop will run 2 times. Correct? Check once. Printing. Let me show you. CLS. See first time. The value of outer one, inner one. Outer 2, inner also 2. Outer 3, inner also how many times? 3. Outer is 4, inner also how many? 4. Go to the last. Outer is 10, inner is also 1 to 10. So that becomes a dependent loop. Inner level loop is depend on outer level. Okay, or you can say nested loop. Right? Hope working. Okay, so these 3 names are not in my list. One is called Nisa. Nisa plus what is next called Espurti. Plus next is called Santanu. Santanu. Okay. So these 3 people need to call on info campus help desk number 888 41 After calling here, just take permission for next class. Take permission for next class because the people who are not in the batch list, I should allow them 2 classes, 3 classes maximum. After that, call here, take permission for next class. Like tomorrow, without permission, you will not get entry. You will not get inside the Zoom. So just call them and then join tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Huge maintenance work is going on the way. So someday while coming, 5 minutes late will happen. Because morning class I finish, I need to go to the school, drop the kids, and again come.